Let's discuss typical KPI for Supplier Balance Scorecard. A Supplier Balance Scorecard is a performance measurement tool that helps organizations evaluate the performance of their suppliers based on a set of key performance indicators, that is, KPI. The KPI typically used in a Supplier Balance Scorecard include 1. On-time delivery. This KPI measures the percentage of deliveries made on or before the agreed delivery date. Key components of this KPI include setting realistic delivery timelines, monitoring delivery schedules, and maintaining clear communication with suppliers. Key roles involved in this KPI include supply chain managers, logistics coordinators, and procurement officers. Industry trends for this KPI include the increasing use of real-time tracking and analytics to improve delivery accuracy and forecasting. Challenges associated with this KPI include weather and transportation disruptions that could affect delivery schedules. IT functionalities leveraged in performing business operations for this KPI include enterprise resource planning, that is, ERP systems, transportation management systems, that is, TMS, and warehouse management systems, that is, WMS. 2. Quality performance. This KPI measures the quality of goods or services delivered by the supplier, typically through the use of defect rate, reject rate, or customer complaint rate. Key components of this KPI include establishing quality standards, regular quality checks, and corrective action plans. Key roles involved in this KPI include quality control professionals, product managers, and customer service representatives. Industry trends for this KPI include the increasing use of artificial intelligence, that is, AI, and machine learning, that is, ML, to improve quality control processes. Challenges associated with this KPI include the need for continuous improvement and the potential impact of quality issues on customer satisfaction. IT functionalities leveraged in performing business operations for this KPI include quality management systems, that is, QMS, statistical process control, that is, SPACE, software, and data analytics tools. 3. Cost performance. This KPI measures the cost effectiveness of the supplier, typically through the use of cost per unit, total cost of ownership, or savings achieved through negotiations or process improvements. Key components of this KPI include cost analysis, cost optimization, and value engineering. Key roles involved in this KPI include cost accountants, financial analysts, and procurement officers. Industry trends for this KPI include the increasing use of automation and robotics to reduce labor costs and improve production efficiency. Challenges associated with this KPI include the need to balance cost savings with quality and delivery requirements. IT functionalities leveraged in performing business operations for this KPI include cost accounting software, spend management tools, and e-sourcing platforms. 4. Responsiveness. This KPI measures the supplier's ability to respond quickly and effectively to requests or issues, typically through the use of lead time, resolution time, or response time. Key components of this KPI include communication protocols, escalation procedures, and service level agreements, that is, SLA. Key roles involved in this KPI include customer service representatives, account managers, and technical support staff. Industry trends for this KPI include the increasing use of chatbots and virtual assistants to provide quick and personalized responses. Challenges associated with this KPI include the need for clear communication and the potential impact of delays or errors on customer satisfaction. IT functionalities leveraged in performing business operations for this KPI include customer relationship management, that is, CRM software, help desk tools, and workflow automation platforms. 5. Collaboration. This KPI measures the supplier's ability to collaborate effectively with the organization, typically through the use of joint problem-solving, joint planning, or joint development. Key components of this KPI include communication channels, collaboration tools, and shared objectives. Key roles involved in this KPI include project managers, product designers, and supply chain coordinators. Industry trends for this KPI include the increasing use of cloud-based collaboration platforms and digital twins to improve collaboration and innovation. Challenges associated with this KPI include the need for trust and clear communication, as well as the potential impact of conflicts of interest. IT functionalities leveraged in performing business operations for this KPI include collaboration software, project management tools, and virtual reality, that is, VR, platforms. 6. Innovation. This KPI measures the supplier's ability to bring new ideas, products, or processes to the organization, typically through the use of new product development, process improvements, or cost savings. Key components of this KPI include innovation strategies, innovation metrics, and innovation culture. Key roles involved in this KPI include innovation managers, R&D professionals, and product engineers. Industry trends for this KPI include the increasing use of open innovation and crowdsourcing to leverage external knowledge and expertise. Challenges associated with this KPI include the need for continuous innovation and the potential impact of intellectual property issues. IT functionalities leveraged in performing business operations for this KPI include innovation management software, idea management platforms, and product lifecycle management, that is, PLM, systems. 7. Sustainability. This KPI measures the supplier's commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility, typically through the use of environmental performance, waste reduction, or carbon footprint. Key components of this KPI include sustainability policies, sustainability reporting, and sustainability audits. Key roles involved in this KPI include sustainability officers, environmental specialists, and compliance managers. Industry trends for this KPI include the increasing focus on circular economy and sustainable supply chain management. Challenges associated with this KPI include the need for transparency and the potential impact of environmental risks on reputation and financial performance. IT functionalities leveraged in performing business operations for this KPI include environmental management systems, that is, EMS, sustainability reporting software, and supply chain mapping tools. 8. Compliance. This KPI measures the supplier's compliance with regulations, standards, and contracts, typically through the use of compliance audits, legal reviews, or performance guarantees. Key components of this KPI include compliance policies, compliance training, and compliance monitoring. Key roles involved in this KPI include compliance officers, legal counsel, and contract managers. Industry trends for this KPI include the increasing use of blockchain and smart contracts to improve compliance and reduce fraud. Challenges associated with this KPI include the need for continuous monitoring and the potential impact of non-compliance on legal and financial liabilities. IT functionalities leveraged in performing business operations for this KPI include compliance management software, contract management tools, and risk assessment platforms. We really thank you for your time spent on this session. Feel free to meet our partners by sending an inquiry email to contact us at t24global.com. Most of our partners have 15 to 20 years industry experience. So, please get in touch for any quick, managed business process, and IT consulting needs,